Hello everyone, this is lesson number 51, HSK free, and let's continue. Let's repeat what we learned before. First one, 邻居, neighbor. Next one, hobby or to like, 爱好, it's hobby, just hobby is okay. 爱好. Next one, 选择, to choose, choice. 饱, oh, as you can remember, 我吃饱了. 渴 thirsty. 冬天 winter. Or you can read it like 冬天, but mostly first one is more stressed. 冬天. Next one, 请假 to ask for leave. 请假 to ask for leave. 一共 all together, sum up. 后来 afterwards, later. 后来 办法 way means 办法. And first one for today is 为了 we know way. Sometimes 为了 or way could be the same, could be interchangeable, but mostly 为了 or in order to do something. Let's see. 我为了健康锻炼 I exercise for my health. So 我为了 for or in order to 健康 you can translate in order to be healthy or for my health. 我为了健康锻炼 exercise. 我为了健康锻炼 This one is very, very complicated characters. As you can see, they're very dense, right? But you just need to understand 健康 it's health, 锻炼 it's to exercise. So, but we say 健康锻炼健康 also could be, but as here, 我为了 I for health make exercise or exercise for my health. Let's say another one. He helps for the sake of the neighbor. So for the sake also could be. 他为了邻居帮忙。他为了 for 邻居 for the sake of the neighbor. So for the sake of someone, it's for someone, for help, to help someone. 他为了邻居 he in order to for I think for 邻居 neighbor 帮忙 help. It's a bit not so good example, but still. 他为了邻居帮忙 Let's say another one. I think it will be better. I buy a hat for winter. 为了冬天我买帽子 So in order to be prepared or because here is maybe you can translate because of winter I buy a hat. 为了冬天我买帽子 it's a hat. So 为了冬天我买帽子为了 for something. Next one, decision or to decide. 决定 Let's see. I decide to choose leather shoes. 我决定选择皮鞋 I decide 我决定选择 to choose 选择皮鞋皮鞋second 皮鞋我决定选择皮鞋 I decided to choose leather shoes. Next one, it's also a verb. He decides to ask for leave and rest. 他决定请假休息。他决定 he decided to do what? 请假 to ask 假 here's vocation, or you can imagine to ask for leave. 请假休息 and rest 休息。As you can see, we don't need to use and, just two verbs. 他决定请假休息。Next one is, here is 决定 it's a noun. Let's see. This is my decision. 这是我的决定。this is 我的 my 决定 decision. 这是我的决定。Next word is, we already met in the previous lesson, 必须 must or have to. Let's see. I must brush my teeth. 我必须刷牙。我必须 I have to, I must, so it's really must. 刷牙 to brush teeth. If we can say 我应该 it's I have to, right? It's not must. If I should, also could say 应该。If have to, you can say 我需要。or 我要 also just. But if you say 我必须 it's obligate, you need to do. 我必须刷牙。He has to run for his health. 他必须为了健康跑步。In order to be healthy, or in order for healthy, or for his health. 他必须 he has to 为了 for 健康 for health, for be healthy. 跑步 run. So he has to run. But in Chinese we say in other order. 他必须 he has to 为了健康 for his health 跑步 run. 他必须为了健康跑步。Next one, asking for leave must explain the situation. 请假必须说明情况。请假 it's asking for leave. You cannot ask for leave just for any reason. Right? You need to explain the situation. 必须 so you have to. 说明 it's to speak. 明 it's here is you can translate like clearly, bright. So explain. 说明 it's to say clearly or explain something. 说明情况 situation. I think we in this lesson, yes, we have a 情况. So let's wait a bit. 请假必须说明情况 situation. Okay, next one is a bit hard to use, but it's necessary. 根据 on the basis of, or it could be basis or on the basis of. Let's see. I decided based on the situation. I decide based on the situation. 我根据情况决定. Or you can say I'm based on or I'm with the situation. I decide with the situation or with the circumstances or something like that. 我根据 based on 根据情况 situation, so I based on the situation, 决定 decide. So as you can already see quite a lot of times, and it's rule in Chinese, we need to use verb almost in the end. Every time almost in the end. 我根据情况决定。This one is okay. 根据 based on something. Let's see another one. He chooses based on his hobbies. 他根据爱好选择。So he based on 根据爱好 on hobbies. 他根据爱好 So he based on hobbies. 选择 choose 选择他根据爱好选择。Next one, based on the weather, I wear leather shoes. 根据 it's a J, right? 根据 because if it was it was 根据 but it's 根据 more 句根据前起这个起 very 起根据前起 based on the weather 前起我穿 it's to wear something 我穿皮鞋 leather shoes 皮鞋根据前起我穿皮鞋 So based on the weather, I wear leather shoes. Leather shoes. The next one is 情况 situation, condition, state of affairs. 情况 Let's see. We at HSK3 we still don't need to know every character. We just need to know these two characters together because by themselves they will be like in HSK5, HSK6. So for now it's better to learn by two characters. Put your concentration on tones. This is more important. 情况 Let's see. The situation is good and I'm happy. 情况很好很开心情况 situation 很好 is very good is good and I'm very happy but in Chinese just 很开心情况很好很开心 Next one I understand his situation 我了解 to understand 他的情况 his situation 我了解他的情况我了解他的情况 I understand his situation. Next one, I ask for leave based on the situation. 根据情况我请假根据 based on 情况 situation state of affairs 根据情况我请假 ask for leave 根据情况我请假 Next one is very easy. It's 口 mouth 口 Let's see. I'm thirsty and my mouth is very dry. 我渴了 I'm thirsty. 我渴了 it's to be thirsty. 我渴了口很干口 mouth hand is very 干 it's dry. 我渴了 I'm thirsty. Or you can say 我很渴了口很干口干了口很干 口 handgun. He drinks water with. So as this one is really just one of translation. Ko has multi, I think more than 20 maybe meanings, but mouth is mostly popular and mostly one of them. He drinks water with his mouth. 他用口喝水。他用 use, utilize, or with, do something with something. 他用口 so he use, so with his mouth. 喝水 drinks water. 他用口喝水 he used water to drink. He used mouth to drink water. 他用口喝水. I brush my teeth to clean my mouth. 我刷牙清洁口。我刷牙 I clean my teeth. I brush my teeth to clean my mouth. 清洁 it's to clean something, but don't need to learn it now, it's a bit advanced. 清洁口 mouth. So 我刷牙清洁口 to clean my mouth. Let's repeat what we learned today. First one, 为了 for in order to, 为了健康，为了 something， 为了帮助我的朋友，为了 something。决定 decision or to decide， 决定。必须 must have to, I really must。根据 on the basis or basis sometimes。情况 situation, condition, state of affairs. And 口 mouth, but it's just one of translation. And we have one new idiom for today. We last time learned 守株待兔, to guard, wait by the stump for rabbit or rely on the luck. 守株待兔. Today we learn, before we learn yesterday, 北宫石营. 北宫石营. So mistakable shadow for a snake, paranoid. 北宫石营. Today we learn this one. It's a bit complicated. Let's see. 掩耳盗铃. 掩 is to cover. As you can see, it's a hand on the left side. R, it's ear. Dao, steal. Ling, bell. I remember. Cover ears to steal a bell, or self-deception. So when you his self-deception is very funny. It's when someone try to steal it's when you try to steal a bell, but you cover your ears to not listen to. So when you try to lie for yourself. 掩耳盗铃. 掩耳盗铃. His self-deception is very funny. 他掩耳盗铃很可笑. His self-deception and is very 可笑. 笑 is to laugh, to smile. 可笑 you can smile, so it's funny. You can laugh. It's laughable, right? 很可笑. 他掩耳盗铃很可笑. A bit complicated, but very interesting. 掩耳盗铃. And see you next one.